we're still missing some text on the front here. Let's create another text frame and enter the time of the event. Every Tuesday, then hit return, 6 to 8 p.m. We'll style it by using the font PT Serif Bold Italic at a size of 10 points with the leading set to 13 points. Leading is the vertical space between lines of text. Lastly, we got to center this text using the paragraph alignment buttons here. Let's hit Escape on the keyboard to exit the text box so that we can quickly size and position the box properly. Let's drag one of the selection handles to add a little extra width and line up the top and right edges with our guides. We're also going to need a second identical box on the right, so hold the Alt or Option key and drag the box to the right. That gives us a copy and also allows us to use Smart Guides to align the second box with the first. In addition to the Smart Guides, you can also hold the Shift key to constrain the movement to a perfectly straight line. Now let's click again on our box to go inside and change the text to the destination of the event. This is going to say Art Cafe, then press Return, and San Francisco. Perfect. Now let's hit Escape, then click away on a blank part of our canvas to be sure that we have nothing selected, so we can create a new color swatch without accidentally changing something on the page. We'll double-click on the foreground swatch on the toolbar and create an orange using the values 0 for cyan, 50 for magenta, 100 for yellow, and 0 for black. Click OK and head over to your CC libraries to add the swatch here by clicking the plus button on the bottom of the panel, then checking just the box for the fill color, and clicking Add. Now that it's saved here, you can easily access this color while working on this and other projects, even using other Creative Cloud applications. Now let's apply it to our headline, Design Talks. We can simply click into the box, highlight the text, and click on our new swatch. Let's also go back and set our subtext color to white. This white text is actually a character style we plan on reusing. So with it highlighted, now's our chance to quickly save the style to our CC libraries so that we can reuse it on the back of the postcard. I'll add it as a character style rather than a paragraph style so that it can later be applied to only a selected portion of a paragraph. Now let's head to the toolbar and grab the rectangle tool and draw a small square. To draw a perfect square, hold the Shift key as you drag. If it appears with an unwanted border around it, called a stroke, we can remove it here on the control bar. If it's not already orange, fill it with the orange swatch saved to your CC libraries. Let's switch to the selection tool at the top of the toolbar so we can play with our new shape. With the square selected, let's rotate it 45 degrees by moving our cursor just outside one of the selection handles and dragging when you see the rotate cursor appear. Hold Shift to snap it to 45-degree increments. Now, place it between your two text boxes. Great, we're ready to move on to the backside.